Hi, now I'm going to show you how to set up Google Tag Manager with your WordPress website. First, we need to create a Google Tag Manager account, and I already created a Google Tag Manager account. This is a Google Tag Manager web container, and then we need to go to website backend. This is the website dashboard, and we need to go the header.php file. That means we need to paste this code on the head option. After the head option, we need to paste this code. So find the head option. This is the header.php, and if I click here, then I can see here this is the head code. This is the head option, and if I go to again Google Tag Manager and copy this code and paste this code over here, and then click on update file. And now if I visit this site, first reload, and if I click the tag assistant Chrome extension, then we can see the Google Tag Manager is connected. So the another way we can set up the Google Tag Manager, for this, first we need to remove these, then update file, then go to plugin, then add plugin. We need to search here GTM for WP. We need to install this plugin. It's installed, and click on activate. Okay, then we need to click on select. Then we can see here there is an option Google Tag Manager ID, and then go to Google Tag Manager, just copy this GTM ID, then paste the GTM ID over here, and then click on save. And again, if I reload this website, then you can see here the GTM is connected. Well, now we can preview this website. Just copy this website URL and paste the website URL here and click on connect. Okay, now we can see the Google Tag Manager is connected. We can see here, and this is the overview. So that's the thing. I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. Thank you very much.